Hey everybody, I wanted to show you a quick trick for working with corn tortillas for the enchilada recipe this month. Usually when you're making enchiladas, you want to fry your tortillas. That does two things. It softens them and makes it so they don't crack, but it also gives them a lot of flavor. The problem with that is it adds a lot of calories, and frying it can be a mess in your house. So I'm going to show you a quick hack that works pretty well, and it's a lot easier and quicker than heating up a frying pan full of oil. One thing that I like to do is I often like to toast them first on a gas burner. It has to be a gas burner. You cannot do this on an electric burner, but that just gives it a little more flavor. You don't have to do it, but I'll just show you quickly how to do it. Just turn on your burner to medium, and then you just sit a tortilla directly on top of that. And what that's doing is the flame is going to give it a char and a little bit more flavor, and you'll see that it's kind of curling around the edges and starting to brown. Then you just flip it over and do the second side. It only takes just a minute. And then once you get that done, I've done a bunch here, we're ready for the quick hack instead of the frying. And so what I like to do is I take a dinner plate, put some paper toweling on it, you take your tortilla, spray it with a little bit of pan spray, flip it over, spray that side, and then your next one, you only need to do both sides of the first one. The second one, it can sit on the other oiled side and it works just as well. And then your next one, just a little bit of pan spray, a little bit of pan spray. And then once you do the number that you need, you just fold your paper toweling up like this. And then I flip it over so it's a neat little package. Stick it in your microwave for about a minute and a half on high. And when it comes out, they're super soft, super pliable. They work great for enchiladas. This way you can fill them and roll them, and it's so much easier. So I hope you'll try this recipe. It's a chicken, sweet potato, and spinach enchilada, and you can omit the chicken and just do it sweet potato and spinach if you want to go vegetarian. So I hope you'll try the recipe and share your results with us. Thanks, bye.